If your Instagram Explore page is showing content you no longer enjoy, you can refresh your recommendations and train Instagram to show more relevant posts again. Here's how. Open Instagram and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Content Preferences. Here you can manage suggested content and update topics you're interested in. Removing topics you no longer follow helps improve your Instagram recommendations. Now go back and tap Sensitive Content Control. If you're seeing too many random or unwanted posts, adjust this setting to limit the amount of sensitive content that appears in your Explore feed. Another important step is using the Not Interested option. The more you do this, the faster Instagram learns your preferences. You should also clear your search history. Go to the Search tab, tap the search bar, and select Clear All to remove old searches that may be influencing your Explore page. Finally, review your previous likes. Open your profile, tap the menu, select Your Activity, then Likes. If there are posts that no longer match your interests, unlike them to help refine your recommendations. That's it. After following these steps, Instagram's algorithm will gradually refresh your Explore page and start showing content that's more relevant to your interests. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.